From the table, we can understand the cost of apples double when number of apples doubles. We can see that we can find cost of 12 notebooks as the cost of 24 notebooks is known. Cost of 12 notebooks will be half the cost of 24 notebooks. It is easy to find cost if the increase or decrease in quantity is in multiples. Example 1. The cost of 5 baskets is rupees 40. Find the cost of 9 baskets. Solution. Here 9 is not a multiple of 5. So, to find cost of 9 baskets, we have to find cost of 1 basket. Cost of 5 baskets is rupees 40. Therefore, cost of 1 basket is equal to 40 upon 5 is equal to rupees 8. Therefore, cost of 9 baskets is equal to 8 into 9 is equal to rupees 72. This is unitary method. Finding the value of 1 from many and the value of many from 1 is called unitary method. Example 2. The cost of 12 chairs is rupees 480. Find the cost of 8 chairs. Solution. Cost of 12 chairs is equal to rupees 480. We divide the cost of 12 chairs by 12 to get cost of 1 chair. Cost of 1 chair is equal to 480 upon 12 is equal to rupees 40. Multiply 8 by cost of 1 chair. Therefore, cost of 8 chairs is equal to 40 into 8 is equal to rupees 320. Let us now solve exercise 15. Number 1. The cost of 6 notebooks is rupees 72. Find the cost of 4 notebooks. Solution. Cost of 6 notebooks is equal to rupees 72. Therefore, cost of 1 notebook is equal to 72 upon 6 is equal to rupees 12. Cost of 4 notebooks is equal to 12 into 4 is equal to rupees 48. Therefore, cost of 4 notebooks is rupees 48. Number 2. A motor car covers 56 kilometers in 4 liters of petrol. What distance will it cover in 9 liters? Solution. Distance covered by car in 4 liters is equal to 56 kilometers. Distance covered by car in 1 liter is equal to 56 upon 4 is equal to 14 kilometers. Therefore, distance covered by car in 9 liters is equal to 14 into 9 is equal to 126 kilometers. Therefore, distance covered by car in 9 liters is 126 kilometers. Number 3. If a manufacturer makes 234 chairs in 18 days, how many chairs will he make in 365 days? Solution. Number of chairs made in 18 days is equal to 234. Number of chairs made in 1 day is equal to 234 upon 18 is equal to 13 chairs. Number of chairs made in 365 days is equal to 365 into 13 is equal to 4,745 chairs. Therefore, number of chairs made in 365 days is 4,745 chairs. Number 4. If the total fee paid by 15 students is rupees 315, what will be the fee collected from 263 students? Solution. Fee paid by 15 students is equal to rupees 315. Fee paid by one student is equal to 315 upon 15 is equal to rupees 21. Fee collected from 263 students is equal to 21 into 263 is equal to rupees 5,523. Therefore, fee collected from 263 students is rupees 5,523. Number 5. The cost of 5 bags of seeds is rupees 740. Govinda wants 17 such bags. How much has he to pay for them? Solution. Cost of 5 bags is equal to rupees 740. Cost of 1 bag is equal to 740 upon 5 is equal to rupees 148. Therefore, cost of 17 bags is equal to 148 into 17 is equal to rupees 2,516. Therefore, cost of 17 bags is rupees 2,516. Let us summarize. Finding the value of 1 from many and then value of many from 1 is called unitary method. To find cost of 1 from many, we divide. To find cost of many from 1, we multiply.